Hello students. So you all have read the poem Sea Song, right? So today we will continue with the exercise of Sea Song. So first of all, let us revise the questions we did yesterday. So our first question was, where did the child find the seashell? So where did the child find the seashell? बच्चे को seashell कहाँ पे मिला था? The child found the seashell on the sand. बच्चे को seashell कहाँ पे मिला था? On the sand. Okay. Our second question was, what did the child do with the shell? बच्चे ने shell के साथ क्या किया? The child took the shell to his home. बच्चा shell को अपने घर पे लेके गया. Okay. And our third question was, what did the child hear? बच्चे ने क्या सुना? The child heard a sweet, clear song from the shell. बच्चे ने shell में से एक sweet सा प्यारा सा song सुना. Okay, so we have already done this part, and we also have written the rhyming words, right? So our rhyming words were, the rhyming word for found was sound. The rhyming word for cold was bold. The rhyming word for took was look. The rhyming word for sand was hand. The rhyming word for mummy was tummy. Okay, we've already done this. Then we did the, okay, we haven't done the opposite words yet, so let's discuss opposite words from the chapter. Okay, here you have a help box. You can see the help box here. Fill in the blanks with the opposite word choosing from the box below. Help box में आपको कुछ words given है. इन words को use करके आपको इस table में opposite words fill करने थे. Okay, so the opposite word for found is hot, false, short, no, straight, no, drop, no, soft, no, lost. The opposite word for found is lost. Found मतलब मिला, lost मतलब खो गया, lost मतलब खो गया. तो found का opposite word क्या होगा? Lost. Okay. And the opposite word of took मतलब लिया, took मतलब लिया. So the opposite word for took is gave. Gave मतलब दिया, gave मतलब दिया. The opposite word for took is gave. ठीक है. Our next word is hard. Hard मतलब कठोर, hard. So the opposite word of hard is soft. The opposite word of hard is soft. Okay. Third word is big. It means bada. So the opposite word of big is small. The opposite of big is small. Okay. Our fifth word is inside. Inside matlab andar, inside. So the opposite word of inside is outside. It means bahar, outside. Outside. It means bahar. The opposite word of came. Came matlab आया, came. So the opposite word of came is went. Went matlab गया. Went matlab गया. Came and went. Came and went. The opposite of came is went. Our next word is true. True matlab सच. So the opposite of true is false. Okay, you all know this, na? So the next word would be cold. Cold matlab ठंडा. So the opposite word of cold would be hot. The opposite word of cold would be hot. Hot यानी कि गरम. Hot यानी कि गरम. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज स्वीट. स्वीट मतलब मीठा. स्वीट मतलब मीठा. So the opposite word of sweet is bitter. Bitter मतलब कड़वा. Bitter मतलब कड़वा. Sweet, bitter. Okay. Next is curly. Curly मतलब घुंघराला या घुंघराले. Curly आपने देखा है ना, some people have curly hairs. कुछ लोगों के curly hairs होते हैं. So the opposite of curly, घुंघराले का opposite होगा straight, यानी कि सीधा. Straight. Opposite of curly is straight, यानी कि सीधा. Curly घुंघराला, straight सीधा. Okay. Next word is pick. Pick मतलब उठाना. Pick मतलब उठाना. So what is the opposite of pick? उठाना. The opposite of उठाना is drop. Drop मतलब गिराना. Pick मतलब उठाना and drop मतलब गिराना. I have dropped my keys. मैंने अपनी keys गिरा दी. They dropped the junk. उन्होंने कूड़ा गिरा दिया. So next word is tall. Next is tall. Opposite of tall is, अच्छा, what is the meaning of tall? The meaning of tall is लंबा. Tall is लंबा. So the opposite of tall is short. Short मतलब छोटा. Short. Okay. So the opposite words have been done. Opposite of found is lost. The opposite of took is gave. The opposite of hard is soft. The opposite of big is small. The opposite of inside is outside. The opposite of came is went. The opposite of true is false. The opposite of cold is hot. The opposite of sweet is bitter. The opposite of curly is straight. The opposite of pick is drop. The opposite of tall is short. Okay. So here goes our opposite words. You all will be writing these words in your notebook. Okay. आप इन words को अपनी notebook में write करेंगे. Alright. So let's move on to next question, which is choose the right words. We will be choosing the right words. Okay. The sea is very, very big or far. क्या sea बहुत, sea क्या है? बहुत बहुत बड़ा है या फिर दूर है? बड़ा है. The sea is very, very big. आपने देखा है ना कि sea कितना बड़ा होता है? The sea is very, very big. Okay. Second is you cannot dash dash the other side. You cannot see the other side. The sea is so very big that we cannot see the other side. हम लोग समुद्र की दूसरी तरफ, sea की दूसरी तरफ जो है नहीं देख सकते because the sea is very very big. So यहाँ पे आएगा you cannot see the other side. You cannot see the other side. Okay, see the other side. Third is you dash dash cross the sea. So you tell me, you can cross the sea or you cannot cross the sea. You can cross the sea only in a ship, but you cannot cross the sea otherwise. Without ship के क्या आप sea cross कर सकते हैं? No, you cannot cross the sea. So the answer would be cannot or can't. You can't cross the sea. You can't cross the sea. Next is you can cross it in a bus or ship. आप sea को, आप समुद्र को किस में क्रॉस कर सकते हो? बस में या फिर शिप में? Ship में, right? So you can cross it in a ship. You can cross it in a ship. Okay. Let's move on. So you have to match the phrases with the picture. आपको कुछ pictures given होंगी और आपको phrases given होंगे और मैंने already match कर दी है. So first match was a bird singing. A bird singing. So you can see here is the picture of a bird singing. Okay. Second is a cow mooing. A cow mooing यानी कि ये गाय जो क्या कर रही है? moo moo. Okay. So a cow mooing. So here's the picture of a cow mooing. Third one is a phone ringing. A phone ringing. So I have matched the picture already. Here you can see a phone ringing. Okay. Next is a dog barking. A dog barking. So you can see the picture of a dog barking. Okay. Last one is a cock crowing. A cock crowing. एक मुर्गा जो क्या कर रहा है? क्रॉ क्रॉ की आवाजें निकाल रहा है. मुर्गा कैसी आवाज निकालता है? So here is the picture of a cock crowing. Okay. So this is all for today. अब आप क्या करोगे? आप इन opposite words को, if you've already written the question answers and the rhyming words in your notebook, then you will be writing opposite words in your notebook. You will make this table and you will write opposite words in your notebook. Then you will do the fill in the blanks, choose the right words and you will be writing all the fill in the blanks. Then you will draw these pictures or you will paste pictures of birds, cock, cow, phone and a dog in your notebook. Okay, you can either draw the pictures or you can paste the pictures. It's up to you. So this is all for today. Thank you.